In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a parametric object using onto Pythonparts Generator. Create objects using functions in Create Object area: extrude, revolve, and loft. Click to this button to create an extrude object. An extrude object needs a profile and a path to extrude profile along it. Firstly, we need to create profile for our object. We have commands to support creating an object, such as line, polyline, rectangle, circle, ellipse, etc. Example, create a line. We can click to the line and modify it using handles. Create a polyline. We can also modify the profile using the commands in this area: move line, trim command, align to the axis, and delete. Create a circle or an arc and modify it. The same for an ellipse. Now create a spline. Click to the spline and we can modify it. To make the object to be adapted to the chain of parameters, we have to lock it to the axis. Click to this button and we have nodes which we can select to lock to the axis. Click to a node and click to the axis which we want to lock. Click to the rectangle icon to unlock. Click to node and lock again. The same for all the nodes. Now we need to create a path to extrude the profile along it. Click to this button and we already have a path. A reference point for this path is also be created at the first point of the profile. We can modify path if needed. Click to the path to modify it. Or we can delete it and create a new path. Create a spline as a new path. Now lock the path to the axis to make it to be adapted with the chain of parameters. A note is that to create object at right position, path should be created start from the reference point. In this case, as you can see, path is not created start from this point. Click to this button to create object and check it. Okay, now we need to move our path to the reference point. Click to this button to modify object. Click to select object to modify. Click to this button to modify profile. And click to this button to modify path. Now move the path to the reference point position. OK, click to finish button and create object.